myself Aditya Thakur from class 6B, Allen House Public School, Vasundhara, Ghaziabad. Today we are celebrating World Heritage Day. And the theme of World Heritage Day 2021 is Complex Past, Diverse Future. I am presenting my subject enrichment activity, and the theme of the activity is Complex Past, Diverse Future. But before I start, I would like to show some glimpse of the postcard that I have drawn for this activity. World Heritage Day is celebrated all across the globe on April 18 every year. It is celebrated to spread awareness about the rich cultural heritage of a variety of different communities around the world and to preserve our own traditional and cultural heritage. World Heritage Day teaches people to take pride in their own past and culture and learn to appreciate and respect other people's culture as well. This year, the theme of this special day is Complex Past, Diverse Future. This theme is calling people of all the religion to come together, keeping aside their differences and give out the message of solidarity. Thank you. Stay home. Stay safe.
Good morning, dear friends. My name is Akshish Tyagi. I am from class 6B in Allen House Public School, Vasundhara, Ghaziabad. Today, as you know, today is the World Heritage Day, which is celebrated on 18 April every year. It was established by UN on 18 April 1982. It was promoted by ICOMOS. This was done to prevent it from the destruction of the monuments. To prevent our monuments, we should prevent it from the pollution and the water seepage. The tips that we can use are: there should be follow the government rules. We should adopt the monuments. There should be no industry or a factory near it. The UN has given security to 55 inspectors and 33 inspectors are in India only. At all time, people do not know what is study and knowledge. But then also they made very beautiful monuments. But now we are destroying them. So we should save them so that the upcoming generation should also know them. Motive is that we should save the monuments. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Agastya Banduri. I am currently studying in class 6 from Allen House Public School. Every year, World Heritage Day is celebrated on 18 April to maintain the legacy and save the rich heritage given to us by our ancestors. International Council of Monuments and Sites primary purpose behind World Heritage Day is to ensure the protection of national and cultural heritage and provide any emergency assistance for the heritage site in danger. Every year, ICOMOS gives a unique theme for the celebration of the World Heritage Day. The theme of 2021 is Complex Pasts, Diverse Future. Together with ICOMOS, the UNESCO World Heritage Center support inclusive and diverse points of view in heritage identification, conservation and transmission to future generations. Thank you.
A very pleasant evening to all of you. I, Anushka Maurya from class 6B, wanted to tell you about some information about heritage, as today is a World Heritage Day. Did you know why we celebrate heritage and what is the meaning of its celebration? So let me to tell you, the heritage defined as our rich history. We have to spread the information about our history to keep it alive. UNESCO declared 18th April as World Heritage Day. On this day, we celebrate and spread the awareness of our rich cultural informations and teach how to keep it preserved. We can preserve our history by participating in adopt our history in VTech and give our full support to preserve it. There is a basic information that how we can preserve it, that we can keep it alive and spread the awareness of our monuments and its importance. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hello everyone, I am Cecil Tomar of grade 8 and my topic for this video is Complex Past, Diverse Future. On 18th April 2021, we observe World Heritage Day, which seeks to spread awareness about our rich culture, diversity and highlights the importance of preserving heritage. The importance and the purpose of celebrating World Heritage is to aware the youngsters about it, establishing the literacy, respect and diverse culture between them. The day is internationally recognized to preserve historical sites, monuments and historical associative. The World Heritage Day 2021 theme is Complex Past, Diverse Future. It has become fundamentally important to acknowledge our complex past, our current situation and how best to move forward in the order to preserve our future. The values are the importance of preservation and educating the next generation about our literacy is essential in each and every country. It is essential that we acknowledge the rich history of our region, highlight current work and the ongoing researches, and establish conservation effect to prevent it. On this Heritage Day, let's take our time to read up on different cultures and make our young generation encouraged about it. Thank you everyone for watching my video, and I will now like to end with my plot, Convex Past, Diverse Future. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Karthikeya Rawat of grade 8 and I would like to tell you about that how can we conserve and preserve heritage site. Do you know what is conservation of heritage site and how can we preserve it? Basically, it is the protection and care of heritage monuments by participating in the regular cleanliness drive and spreading awareness. We can help by creating an awareness of the importance of preserving these invaluable sites by sharing news and links through social networking sites, and also by collecting funds and donation for their renovation. Chemical treatment of monuments and restoration can also help in their conservation. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, my name is Sara Das and I am from Allen House Public School. Study in 7th standard. We must never forget our roots, and our heritage is our root that gives us strength and makes us unique. Wishing a very happy Heritage Day. On the occasion of Heritage Day, I would like to apprise you about a renowned heritage built by Nobel Prize winner Rabindranath Tagore, Shantiniketan. Shantiniketan is popularly known today as a university town. 100 miles to the north of Kolkata, was originally an ashram built by Rabindranath Tagore, father of Rabindranath Tagore, who was a leading figure of Indian Renaissance. Founded by Rabindranath Tagore in 1901. Shantiniketan represents the distillation of his life, philosophy and greatest work through his lifetime and continuing legacy of his unique model of education and internationalism through a living institution and architectural ensemble. Shantiniketan itself is a unique piece of art which is an amalgamation of humans' love and bond with nature to enhance the creativity and to carry futuristic approach towards education. Today, Shantiniketan and Vishwa Bharati exemplify the continuation of Tagore's work both as a living educational and cultural center as well as through the generations of outstanding alumni who excelled in the worlds of painting, literature, music, sculpture, cinema, economics, and politics. Shantiniketan not only carries the legacy of Indian heritage but also a flag bearer of unity in diversity. This is one place where all the barriers are broken and people from all color, caste, culture and religion comes one and are only accepted as human beings. Today, people across the world is visiting this beautiful place to immerse into the true essence of creativity. The architectural and landscape setting of Shantiniketan embody Tagore's vision of eclectic architectural expression that was a blending of diverse cultural traditions in a landscape setting that formed the backdrop of literal translation of Shantiniketan as an abode of peace and also be very well said as one world family. Thank you.